I've just brought you another video of abandoned railway, and if you look at here, this railway is found here in Billerica, Bedford branch near Heritage Road in Billerica, constructed as a New England for fast foot narrow gauge railway in 1877 and only operated for 6 months before the Boston and Low RR constructed standard gauge railway road along the RWO. So it is now abandoned. It operated for only 6 months and they forgot about it. You can imagine. So I just want you to see how it looks like. And how the place is. Somehow interesting. So they say it has since been abandoned. Looks really very old. Used many years ago. So if you pass here, you can just see the wood itself tells you the story. Constructed many years ago. I've been passing this area for the last 9 years. I've never seen a single train passing through this area. But you can see for yourself how it is and how it looks like. I don't know if there are some people who normally come for adventure in this area, maybe just to come and do some barbecue, because you can see it's like there's charcoal here, and there's also some tires here. That means there's some people who normally come, maybe sit and do some barbecue. If you look here, you can see. Yeah, so it seems like there are few folks. I don't know the last time they came was when, but it seems like there are some people who normally come to relax in this place, maybe just to do